It's so big, intensely. Oh. Perfecto. Hello everyone. What was that? Hello everyone. Today me and my friends are going to the beach. We're gonna, ooh, you're a bit far, aren't you? Me and my friends are going to the beach. We're gonna go to Southend because it's well sunny and I haven't seen them in ages. We thought it would be nice to just social distance on the beach. As you can see, I've got my pink hair. It's way too bright if I'm being honest, but once I wash it like once, I think it should be okay. I don't mind it, but it's quite bright. I'm so excited to see the girls. I haven't seen them in ages and it'll be nice just to chill, and it'll be nice to get out of my town because like I literally haven't left my town in so long to do anything other than go shopping. But like because we have a nice place to like go on walks and stuff, we don't really need to leave the little village. This Morphe M439 brush is actually unreal. It's so big. It's like 3 swipes and like your face is done basically. And it's really nice for like stippling and like blending everything in. Make sure to get the little white ears. There's a spot brewing on my chin, it hurts. Also my hay fever has been assaulting me this morning, like my nostrils. It's just coming for me intensely, so you know that'll be fun. I've taken like 2 hay fever tablets, so fingers crossed. I don't want to highlight today, so I'm just using a concealer that's basically the same colour as me. Just gonna cover any old spots that we've got. Just gives you that really like precise blending. Okay, and then I'm going to set everything down. Set my whole face today because I'm gonna get a bit hot and sweaty. Let's take just a bit of a fluffy brush. Start dabbing that all over the face, basically. Oh, I've got to stop saying basically. Okay, I'm going to do some light brows, so just using soap to just create the shape. And then once that's dry, I'll go through with some pencil. Let that dry. Just put some bronzer on my eyes just to give them a bit more shape. It's so subtle, this effect, but like look at the difference between this one and this one. It makes the eye more alive. My NYX Fill and Fluff pencil in, what colour is this? Brunette, and I'm just going to fill in sort of the ends and create a bit more of a shape. When the pressure isn't on, my eyebrows go perfect. Why? Why is it like this? This one's gone a bit fat, but we can fix that. We can fix that. Take this little brush and some concealer and just tidy up the bottom. Perfecto. Sisters not twins, that's what they say, isn't it? Just gonna get a powder. I'm not gonna put new powder on this because it said powder on it like previously. I'm just going to powder it in those brows so that they stay, and then get my spoolie and then just brush them up again. Look at that. Perfecto. And mascara. So let me curl my eyelashes. Guys, I normally use 2 at the moment. I'm using Revolution Big Lash and Too Faced. My eyelashes will never look this long in their life, so I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. And then when they're dry, I'll do another little layer. And then bronzer, I'm just using the Fenty. Need a new one of these though, either. We've hit pan. And then blush. I mean, I use the same 10 body products, so no, it's not inspirational. It's the Revolution blusher in Peach Bliss. And I need to lock this baby in with loads of setting spray, then we're good to go. And then for gloss, I'm just going to use some clear gloss. I'm going to use the Filler Instinct by, who is this by? NYX? Yeah, NYX. Ta-da! So, quick time before I leave. This is my little outfit. Matches my hair. Oh my, it's perfect. So I've just got a Nike like racer back vibe here, little crop, which I'm obsessed with, which is new, and I've just paired that with my cow print skirt, and then, well, currently no shoes, but probably just put my Air Force 1. This is such a vibe. I love it. Okay.